Hello, everyone, and welcome to how to use ChatGPT intelligently as an academic for your write up. Today, we'll be discussing how an academic can use the popular AI ChatGPT intelligently for an academic write up. Most academics have embraced ChatGPT as an artificial intelligence assistant for their research write-ups. However, since ChatGPT is predictable and in its outcome as well as in its um, output, it is not advisable that academics should use ChatGPT for their write-up. It also raises ethical issues as well as plagiarism issues which are associated with the use of this AI tool as academics. This has been frowned at in the academic circles in various instances. So it's advisable that every academic be smart in the use of this tool. When we say use it smartly, what do we really mean? It simply means combining ChatGPT, that's the artificial intelligence tool, with your natural intelligence. That way, your write up is great and original. Now, here are some examples of how to use this tool. Now, you can use this tool for your presentation as an academic. For presentations, when you prepare for your presentations, you can simply just use the prompts. There are prompts that are appropriate for ChatGPT to give you the results you are looking out for. All right. So we have prompts like this, where you have the topic. Let's say, for example, you want to carry out a presentation on life after school for a nursing student. So the prompt is you give ChatGPT the topic, and then the context of that write-up, you can say it's practicing and family balance. Then requirements for ChatGPT to give you the outputs you are looking for. You can say generate 10 possible ways to practice and how to balance family life. And then the language should be academic, of course, and the tone should be formal, since it's a formal academic presentation. So you click, and it gives you the 10 suggested possible practices for a nursing student after school. And then you can go through them. As you go through them, you see the ones that are relevant and the ones that are not relevant. Well, now it has given you a guide. It has given you possible points on which to build. Now, the key thing is that you will have to choose between these 10 suggestions, these possible suggestions that are here. You have to choose from them the ones that are relevant to your write up. All right. So, as an academic, don't use it as presented. Okay. Use the idea, adjust the content, and if possible, localize your write up. Okay. Now, while trying to get an outline for seminars, this tool can be very, very useful. Okay. So we can also use the same promptings we used earlier: topic, context, requirement. You can also use that to try to ask ChatGPT to help us generate outline for our seminar or research project. So we just put our topic. Let's take another topic for an example. The topic could be apprenticeship system and business sustainability. That's our topic, all right? Now, the context, that is, what do we mean by that? Are we writing for a formal organization, a school thesis, and so on? So the context for this topic is postgraduate thesis in entrepreneurship studies. And then what's the requirements? We want ChatGPT to help us give us an outline for thesis with research objectives as well as research questions. Now, the language, of course, is academic. The tone is formal. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Now, ChatGPT now generates a bunch of outlines and guide. Obviously, you can see this is a good pointer for every academic to follow. If you're an academic, you can follow it. You see, ChatGPT started from introduction, and we know as academics that your write-up starts with an introduction, background, rationale for studies, and so on. No, it has just given us an outline that is easy to follow. It has shortened the work time for you. It has presented to you breakdowns according to your topic, like you can see research questions suggested here. Okay, now having done that, like I said earlier, you don't have to copy everything like this verbatim. As an academic, you have to combine the AI tools suggestions with your own natural intelligence. Of course, you have to impute the context for each of these outline from your own intelligence. Don't allow the content to be built for you by ChatGPT. It raises ethical issues. So you can use the outline, adjust the outline, modify the outline, and the outcome will be great. All right. Now let's um let's have another suggestion along academic writings. We have another suggestion. ChatGPT can also help us in dealing with our research questions. In our research questions, it can help us deal with it. All right. So we can let's impute another prompt that will help us. Let's see how ChatGPT will help us with that. Now let's still use the same topic, apprenticeship system and business sustainability. The context, of course, is entrepreneurship in world literature. So it's going to look through world literature to help us generate 10 research questions for our thesis. The language is academic, and of course, the tone is formal. So let's see what the suggestions that will come up will look like. Now, it's suggesting questions for us, research questions for us. Of course, it's suggesting 10. Not all of them will be relevant for our write-up. So now you can see the 10 suggestions. Look at the 10 suggestions ChatGPT has given for our academic topic, apprenticeship system and business sustainability. Now, the onus now lies on you as an academic to look through this output, which he has just given to us, these 10 suggestions. And it's obvious that some questions won't apply to your study area and context. All right. So, what do? You must intelligently pick out the most relevant and related questions here to your topic in the context of your thesis. So, don't forget to modify it. Don't forget to adjust it accordingly. Don't forget to act smartly. All right, thank you for listening. If these videos have been useful to you, don't forget to click the notification buttons there, subscribe to this channel, and watch other videos associated with this channel. Thank you.